morning, students. Last day I sent you some notes of question tag and some activities. Hope that you have gone through it. Okay. Then do you have any doubts? I think you have. So we will come to the main points once more. And it's a very simple activity. Don't be afraid. There is nothing difficult. Very simple. So I will give you the main points once more. Okay. First of all, what's a question tag? What's a question tag? It's a short question for confirmation. It's a short question for confirmation. Confirmation means to make something sure. Okay, for example, you are 8th standard students, aren't you? I asked the question, aren't you? What's the need, or why do I use such a question there? I want to make sure the statement I made. What's the statement? You are 8th standard students. In order to confirm that question, I asked the question, aren't you? Then I told you that it's a short question. So which are the words that we need for question tag? See, only two words. Which are they? Auxiliary verb and personal pronoun. Auxiliary verb and personal pronoun. Then one or two points you have to keep in mind while we use a question tag. Which are they? First one, positive statements. If the sentence, if it's a positive sentence, if it's a positive statement, the tag should be negative. And if it's a negative statement, positive tag. Okay, listen to this sentence. You are a student. You are a student. So first of all, the first thing you have to see is whether it is positive or negative. So look at those sentences. Is there any negative word? No. So what does it mean? It's a positive statement. So what should you do? You should make the tag negative. So aren't you will be the tag. A negative statement. If it is negative statement, the tag will be positive. Okay, so you are not lazy. You are not lazy. Is it positive or negative? Negative. Why? Because there is the word not. So the tag should be positive. So I. Then another thing you have to keep in mind is that, see, if it is negative tag, in negative tag, contracted form of the auxiliary verb is used. Contracted form. Contracted form means shortened form. How do we make it short? See, one or two examples are given here. Do plus not. While we add not with the auxiliary do. How do we contract it? Don't. D-O-N apostrophe T. That O is contracted. Okay. Did plus not. Didn't. Have plus not. Have it. So in the case of almost all the auxiliary verbs, how do we make the contraction? Instead of not, N apostrophe T. Haven't, hasn't, couldn't, etc. But in the case of 4 words, there is something very special about it, and you have to learn it by heart. There is no other go. Which are the words? Shall. While we make it negative by adding not. Shall plus not is shan't. S-H-A-N apostrophe T. Will plus not, won't. Can plus not, can't. See, it is C-A-N apostrophe T. Am plus not. Am plus not is aren't in question tag. So these 4 words, these 4 auxiliaries you have to learn specially. In the case of all other auxiliary verbs, while we make it negative, the contracted form, N apostrophe T will be added. But these 4 words are special. You have to learn it. Then there is another problem. What is that? sometimes there will be no auxiliary verb. We need an auxiliary to form question tag. So if there is no auxiliary, what should we do? It is mentioned. If no auxiliary verb, split it using the auxiliary do. That means you can use the auxiliary, the form of the auxiliary do to get an auxiliary verb. So examples are given. The word work is given. You know that work is V1 form of the first form of the verb. So how can you split it? Using the first form of do. So do plus work. And if it is works, S form, we know that it is also V1 form, V1 plus S or ES form. So as it is S form, S or ES form, so here also that is does plus work. And V2 form, worked, V2 form. As it is V2, V2 form of do, that is did plus work. It is not equal to, that is did plus work. Okay. So we know that work and works both are simple present tense. What's the difference? This is singular form. S or ES, we call it singular form. If it is S or ES, does is to be used. If it is V1, do is to be used. If it is V2, did is to be used. But after do, does or did, this will be the same, work. We cannot use here works, or we cannot use here worked. After the forms of do, it should always be V1 form. So any verb can be split in this way. And this auxiliary we can use in question tags. So examples are given. See, they work hard. They work hard. No auxiliary. So what did we do? We split it using do. So do work, and do is the auxiliary for question tag, and as it is positive statement, do plus not, don't is used, don't they. He works hard, works. So we split it, does work. So doesn't he. Raju worked hard, didn't he. Why do we use he here? In the beginning we saw that in auxiliary verb we use personal pronouns. So instead of Raju, the pronoun that we can use is he. Okay, so we cannot say didn't Raju, no. Instead of Raju, we have to use a pronoun. Okay. Then certain examples are given here. See, first one, you can sing. You can sing. What will be the tag? Two things you have to do. First thing, see whether it is positive or negative. So you know that it is a positive statement because there is no negative word. Then auxiliary verb can. So what should be the tag? Can plus not. What is that? You have learned can plus not is can't. And then the subject here is you. So can't you will be the question tag here. Then next one, Suja completed her homework. Which is the verb here? Completed. Positive or negative? No negative word. So it's a positive statement. So what should be the tag? Negative tag. Is there any auxiliary verb? No. So what should you do? You should split this main verb using the forms of do. Completed is V2 form. So which form of do is to be used? V2 form, that is did. So what will be the what will be the question tag? Completed. How will you split it? Did complete. So what will be the tag? What will be the tag? Didn't. And see the name of a person is given. So which is the pronoun we can use instead of this noun? She. So didn't she will be the tag. Then next one, he will come tomorrow. So this also is a positive sentence because there is no negative word, and the auxiliary verb will. So will plus not. What is will plus not? Won't. and the subject is he. Want, he will be the tag here. Then see the next sentence. Raju and Ramu could swim. Positive or negative? Okay, positive. So the tag should be negative, and the auxiliary verb here is could. So could plus not. And here subject Raju and Ramu, which is the pronoun we can use for the subject they. So what will be the tag? What will be the tag? Couldn't subject they. Couldn't they will be the tag here. Then next one, I don't like it. I don't like it. Positive or negative? Okay, don't, negative. So what should be the tag? What should be the tag? Okay, positive tag, and that will be do I. Do I will be the tag here. Next one, I am intelligent. I am intelligent. No negative word, and the auxiliary verb is am. Am plus not? Am plus not? Okay, aren't. Am plus not is aren't, and the subject is I. Aren't, I will be the tag. Next one, she hasn't seen me. This also is negative, as it is hasn't. Negative sentence. So what should be the tag? Positive, and the auxiliary verb is has, and the subject is she. So the tag will be has, she. And then they had done it. No negative word, positive sentence. So negative tag you have to use, and the auxiliary verb is had. So had plus not is hadn't. Hadn't, and the subject is they. Hadn't, they will be the tag. Then next one, I should go now. Okay, there are also no negative words, so positive sentence. The tag should be negative. And what's the auxiliary there? Should. So should plus not is shouldn't. Should plus not is shouldn't, and the subject is I. So the tag will be shouldn't I. Next one, you bought a new car. No negative word, but there is no auxiliary. No auxiliary. So what should we do? Split it using the auxiliary verb, form of the auxiliary verb do, and which is the main verb here? Bought. Bought is the V2 form of buy bought, bought. So which auxiliary verb is to be used? How can we split bought? Did buy. So the tag will be didn't you. Okay, so this is the way you can do the question tag. As we told, it's a very simple activity. First of all, we saw that it's a short question, and we need only auxiliary verb and personal pronoun there. Positive statement will have negative tag. Negative statements will have a positive tag. In negative tag, usually the contracted forms are used, and while we add not to the auxiliary, instead of not, while we make it contracted, it will be n apostrophe t. So don't, didn't, haven't, hasn't, couldn't, etc. But in the case of 4 words, some differences are there. Shall plus not is shan't, will plus not is won't, can plus not is can't, am plus not is aren't. Then another problem is that sometimes there will be no auxiliary verb. Then we should split it using the auxiliary verb do. If it is V1 form, do is to be used. If it is V1 plus S or ES form, does is to be used. If it is V2 form of the auxiliary verb, did is to be used. So likewise, you can complete the question tag. So now what you have to do is, see, go through the, listen to this class once more very carefully, and then come to the notes which I had sent you last day. Okay, then if you have any doubts, please call me. It's a very simple activity. There is nothing difficult, and you can very easily understand this topic. But if you have any doubts, make sure that you call me. Okay.